Let's make jerk turkey wings. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Shay here. We're hitting that holidays, that Thanksgiving time, and so we're gonna have a special guest today. We're gonna make some jerk turkey wings. So this is like a throwback that I did a couple years ago, but I am going to be the chef. You see, I got my chef coat on today, and she's gonna go ahead and make these today. So let me introduce Naomi. You need to have some music in the background. You need to have some popping and torquing and cooking with Naomi. Cooking with Naomi. Cooking with Naomi. Okay, so we got to get started, y'all.
Yes. Hello, I'm Naomi.
Hello, hello. You know what Cardi B saying?
Hello, it's me.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I'm here with Shay. She's teaching me how to cook some jerk turkey wings.
Exactly.
Because I don't know how to really cook and throw down like that. So today we're going to get into it.
Get into it. We've already cleaned our turkey wings. I did it with white distilled vinegar, but you could do white distilled vinegar and like lemons and limes and really clean it up. But that's what I had, so that's what we used. So now we have 2 habanero peppers that she's gonna thinly slice. So go ahead and put your gloves on.
About to thinly slice and dice.
Slice and dice. You look like you're about to go into surgery. You going into surgery?
Yup. T-stack.
About to go into surgery.
Hey guys, so I'm just gonna thinly slice the habanero pepper.
She got it, y'all.
You know, you want to get a nice thin slice so it like seeps into the...
She swears she's on Food Network. She swears she's on Food Network.
The flavors of the...
And see, she likes spice. She likes a lot of hot. I'd be like, oh, this is so spicy. And then she'd go in there and get some hot sauce or some more stuff. So she really likes her stuff a little more spicy. And she's cooking this Thanksgiving, so.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm cooking it this Thanksgiving.
Okay. We don't know.
But
to be continued on that.
One point in time I'm cooking. What to do with this?
That's enough. But we could really actually cut this up as well. Yeah.
So you just want to hit the sides.
Now we're getting ready to season.
Okay.
So let's start.
1 teaspoon of salt.
We're gonna do more. So this part, okay, for cooking, you can go to DivineKuizine.com and really get the measurements. But you know, things like this, you're gonna kind of go with what your salt intake is. So I'm gonna give you a guideline pretty much, but then you go on and you kind of flavor your food how you want to flavor it. So you go within the side with your ancestors and your, you know, how you feel about seasoning. So go ahead and just, you know, be generous with the salt.
Okay. I'm gonna let my ancestors guide me here.
Exactly. And you know, on how much you want to put, maybe a little more.
A little more. I know. We heard the ancestors together. They was in our ear like, a little more. Just. Okay, I feel like that's it. I think they telling me to stop.
Okay, so we got the salt. We got some complete seasoning. And this complete seasoning you can get at any kind of like farmer's market, or I think you can even get it at Publix.
Yeah. So some complete seasoning.
Good. Then we have some onion powder. Yep. We got garlic powder.
Okay, we have some garlic powder. A little crumbly.
It's a little crumbly. It's time to re-up on some garlic powder. We got garlic powder. So we're doing all the powders first. We got some seasoning pepper.
Okay.
We got a little bit of sesame, but we just want a little bit of that seasoning.
So we got some sesame.
Exactly.
You see, it's like all in the wrist.
It's all in the wrist, so that's good. It's all in the wrist, all in the wrist. And then we're gonna just do a little bit of this, Naomi. Just like maybe about this much. So this is probably like 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
So we're gonna do 1/8 teaspoon of some cayenne pepper.
Exactly. Now we're gonna go with the good stuff. We got some green seasoning, and the green seasoning, that recipe you can find at DivineKuizine.com. And now we're gonna use our DivineKuizine jerk rub. We're gonna probably do 2 or 3 of those. And our jerk rub is all natural. It's gonna taste like, give you that authentic taste of Jamaican, you know, jerk chicken or these jerk turkey wings. And the more you use, the more spicier it's going to be. I think that we finished everything. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil just for everything to kind of come together.
You wanna get the habanero peppers in here. And let me start the massage.
Massage and make sure you get every crevice of all the seasonings on that meat. Okay, so we have them nice and you think they all nice and
marinated. I'm trying to put the Scotch bonnet in like the little underarm part.
She want to make sure she get that spice.
But okay. So it's marinated.
Okay, so we're gonna let that sit. Now this would be great if you could let this marinate overnight, but since we're doing a demonstration, we're gonna go ahead with the next step. So we're gonna sit that aside and we're gonna get ready to season the water that's kind of gonna make like a gravy and then kind of steam up. So we have 2 bouillon cubes that you can put in the water. You could also use chicken broth if you have it, but I have bouillon cubes, and then we're just gonna pour a little bit of the jerk sauce in there.
Jerk sauce.
Melt, and then this will be what we will put at the bottom of the baking dish.
Okay guys, we're back. We're about to assemble and put the turkey wings in the oven.
At 350 degrees.
Yeah.
And we're probably gonna do this probably for about 60 minutes.
We got, ooh. Nice.
Let's turn it. We're gonna take a little bit of that base that we made. At the bottom. We don't want to wash the seasoning away. You know what I mean? Keep going. You're just gonna put your foil over it, and we're gonna put it in the oven. And we've already preheated our oven at 350
degrees. Okay. It's going in the oven.
At 350. We're gonna cook this for about 60 minutes, and then we'll come back. We'll take the foil off, see how everything is doing, put our peppers on top. Getting ready to cut these vegetables. It's been about an hour or so in the oven cooking. So now we're gonna cut up our vegetables to go ahead and put those on top of our jerk turkey wings. So I'm gonna put this back in the oven, but I'm gonna turn up the oven a little bit. It's at 350. I'm gonna turn it up to 375 for 30 minutes, and then we'll see how it's going, and then we might put it back up to 400 or 425. We'll just see how it's going. Let's review these jerk turkey wings using DivineKuizine's jerk rub and DivineKuizine's jerk sauce. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, Naomi made these jerk turkey wings, okay? And she did them all by herself. You know, I was just, helping her along the way, but she cut up the peppers, she basted, she, used both of the products. She did everything, and they turned out so good, if y'all can see. Fork tender, okay? So we getting ready to go in and taste. So we got to go in
for the taste. All right.
It is definitely tender. Okay. It's a little spicy, but it's good. I'm gonna let her go first.
Oh my God. I've never tasted a turkey wing this good in my life. Like, seriously. It's so flavorful. Like, you could taste the green seasoning. So good.
Okay, so now I'm about to go in and taste. It's the truth. You can taste all the flavors. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's tender, it's everything. You can taste the sweetness from the jerk sauce, the spiciness from the jerk rub, then those peppers, we got different colored peppers in there. With those, like she said, the green seasoning, all the seasonings that we put together in it. Naomi did it. Did she do it? How was it, Naomi? Was it hard? Was it easy?
It was super easy. I didn't think it was gonna be that easy, but I did it. But it's so good. It's really tender. And it's it's like spicy, but you could taste little hints of sweetness. And honestly, I ate this up.
She did a good job. So to get this recipe and these products, go to DivineKuizine.com. If you're on YouTube, leave some comments, get some engagement. What would you like to see us do? Do you have any questions about these jerk wings? And Thanksgiving is definitely coming up, so you definitely need to get this recipe and make this for your family. Love y'all.
Love y'all.